Hello everybody, it is Michael the Mechanical, and today I just want to do a bit of an update on what I've been working on, because we've got progress updates, we don't have progress updates, etc. And that's based on the video that's in production on the computer, as well as the engine that is going to be built for a video. I'm sort of prepping everything. I'm treating this like you buy the parts and you put them back together. And I thought, I'm actually rushing this a little bit because now people don't know what I'm actually doing with some of these parts. For example, here's an oil pump, and I decided I'm not going to put it together without some assembly lube, lithium grease essentially. So that's what it is, Pentrite. And what I'm doing this for is to give it some protection. So what I've recently just done is I grabbed the spline gear, it actually goes in this way, and it's on the other side that it's meant to be running. And I got it in here and made all sorts of sloshy noises in here. Come on, there we go. Just to make sure that everything's nice and lubed up, because what I got to do, it's going to be really tricky to try and do all this stuff. I'm actually going to, I don't even know if this is recording the right direction. It should be. The numbers are facing the wrong way. I should double check how it's recording, but if it records the wrong way, so be it. What I've got to do is finish this up, which now I've actually knocked the gear out. So I'm going to get that gear back in, because it just goes in like that. Bang, done. That's now out of the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting this plate back on. Now this is impossible because I'm doing it with one hand. I don't actually have my other hand available. It's really, it'd be easier if I had a tripod for my phone, or I could do these videos, make them easier, like do it from my device, upload, or whatever. Like do it all in one thing. So what I've got to do is start putting this one together. I haven't actually finished this part, but I've been cleaning everything up because we're going to do this assembling stuff on video. But I just checked the clearances, even though the pumps look completely different based on the manual. And this is within spec. Now I've got some other news in terms of parts. I just got some plastic gauge, and it's type 1, it's green. That is for this engine to do the crank journals and make sure that all the bearings that I've got with the engine will be within tolerance for the application. As for this oil pump, it's actually good, so not going to complain about it. I didn't want to put a dodgy part in, so I did inspect everything. And because of the history of this motor is unknown and all sorts of other details of this motor, going into the unknown, it's not worth taking risks. I didn't want to take any risks. Because I don't know if you guys remember, but some of you are new viewers to the channel, but I have one of these still on the shelf somewhere. It's not on this shelf, so it's somewhere else probably, and it's got a hairline crack in it. Now, it could be anywhere at this point in time. I shouldn't be looking for it, but I am just going to try to quickly rush over and see if I can find it. But I have one of these 2 hairline cracks in it, and that will actually come up in the upcoming video, so I don't even have to show you guys anything, because you'll see it anyway. Look, I've got belts here from the engine, 4D56 round belt, because all the stuff that happened. Now, I'm not sure where the parts are. I don't think I want to bother looking. And there. So this is where we're currently at. What I'm doing is I'm cleaning up everything. Oh, I've still got to finish off the stump. But I've got to pull this apart. This is the best I'm going to probably get it. I can try to scrape some out. Some dirt out of it, but I can't get it any better than that with the current equipment and resources I have without taking risks, which I don't want to do. There is still